one for Taka distribution, interactive floor. 2, Taka water distribution. 3 screen interface connected with walls and extreme electronics. 3, an advanced multi-touch interface with a multiplayer setup. 4, for Taka, 2 cycles connected via an interface. 5, for Taka, Taka Energy Services, Energy Scout game. Number 6, an AI photo booth called AI Future You. Number 7, for Pure Health, it's called the Calm Station. Interactive LED circle rings. Number 8, which has become a super hit for Abu Dhabi ports, we've made a sailing game. Number 9, for EVEC, a bicycle powered juicer. 10, Etihad Rail 2-player treadmill race. 11, for ENEC, a 2-player dance pad based competition. 12, for Agthia, a jumping game. 13, for Abu Dhabi airports, a simple check-in application. 14, Abu Dhabi airports, a simple nice photo booth. 15, last but not the least, a jigsaw puzzle game.